My name's Philip Benigoso. I'm an investment professional, and I'm going to be discussing how to get a physical stock certificate. Before online brokers and personally directed accounts, holding a physical stock certificate was a necessity, as this was the only way to authenticate stock ownership. Now, this is not the case anymore. Although you may not need to hold a stock certificate, you may really request one from the company, or the brokerage firm can do that for you. Now, there are some additional expenses that are associated with getting that stock certificate. You're going to have to pay for it. First, you pay the commissions, and then you have to pay the corporation to actually print the certificate for you. And there is a little bit of a hassle that's involved, because once you have the certificate, it's important to hold it in a very safe place, because you don't want to have any fire set to it or something of the like. So a safety deposit box would probably be your best option. You also have to bring the certificates to a broker to sell them. And this can also create a little bit of a problem. Any information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered an individualized recommendation or personalized investment advice. Any investments or strategies mentioned here may not be suitable for everyone. My name's Philip Benigoso, and I'm an investment professional.